Wi-Fi passwords are usually written on the bottom of your router, assuming you haven't manually changed it. But if you've connected to Wi-Fi on your phone, you can also check the password directly on your phone. I'll show you how to check the password on stock Android and on Samsung Galaxy phones. On the Samsung, we'll go to Settings, and then tap Connections on the top. Then we'll go to Wi-Fi, find the network you'll want to check the password for, and tap the little gear icon next to it. You'll see the password listed here, and you can tap the little eyeball button to reveal it. I'm not going to reveal mine here because, yeah, don't want strangers connecting to my Wi-Fi. Nice try though. If you're using Motorola, Google Pixel, or another phone that uses stock Android, the menus are slightly different. We'll go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and from there tap Internet on the very top. You'll see a list of Wi-Fi networks, and on the top you'll have the one you're currently connected to. Once again, tap the gear icon, but here we'll actually need one more step to reveal the password. You're going to tap the Share button, and after authenticating with your PIN, face, or fingerprint, you'll get a QR code that can be used to connect other phones and devices to this same Wi-Fi without typing the password. And if you're here to check the password, it'll be displayed below the QR code. Again, I don't want to share mine with everyone, so I'm blurring it for the video, but don't mind that. Yours will show without a blur. Also, you can check the passwords for past Wi-Fi networks even if you're not currently connected to them. You'll go back to the Internet menu that lists all available Wi-Fi networks, and you'll then scroll all the way down. Towards the bottom, you'll see a menu for Saved Networks, and this will list all the saved Wi-Fi networks that you've connected to in the past. Mine doesn't have much to show, but if you've been at your friend's house, hotels, whatever, that's all going to be displayed here. That's it, easy peasy. Click that like button if this helped, share the video with a friend, and subscribe for more. Thanks all. Until next time.